So how is it that still we don't have Mashiach, even though we have, Baruch Hashem, a few hundred people here that all want Mashiach to come, that all want all of Am Yisrael to do tshuva? Apparently we're not doing enough. Apparently we're not doing enough, Rabotai. Whatever we're doing, it's not enough. How do I know? Two reasons. Number one, salvation hasn't come yet. If it was enough, it would have come. Two, almost 90% of Am Yisrael is still Mechaleh Shabbat. Almost 90% of Am Yisrael does not even fulfill the basic mitzvah that makes you a Jew. And probably a higher percentage do not even know the meaning of what Yirat Shamayim means. What being afraid of HaKadosh Baruch Hu means. So, that means that it's our job to do something about it. Now, Rabbi Yonatan Eibeshitz, Alav Shalom, said that Sinat Chinam is not just about talking about a different kihila and you don't like him, or you don't this, or you don't that. Sinat Chinam is when you see another Jew sinning, you see him drive on Shabbat, but you don't say anything. Why? Maybe it's going to turn him off. Yeah, but he's off already. He's off the road. He's driving on Shabbat. How much off can you get? Him and the guy that's buying a Buddha statue are the same thing. What's the difference? No, but maybe I could get him to Judaism by showing him love. What? By complimenting him going against the Kadosh Baruch Hu. So someone went to a gas station one time after his car broke down. He had a tank. He just walked in the desert for 3.5 hours. Don't try this at home. The guy comes with the tank and he says, I need some gas. The guy happily comes, hey, listen, fill up the whole thing. He goes, oh, on second thought, I'm sorry, I'm not interested. Is it something that I said? Goes, no, you didn't say it, but I'm not interested. He goes, well, the gas here is good. Because the gas is good, fine, I'm not interested. Where's the next gas station? Because the next gas station is 10 miles away. He goes, okay, so I'll walk there. He says, what's wrong with our gas? He goes, it's not the gas, I just don't want to buy gas here, I'm going to go over there. He goes, yeah, but it's the desert, you're going to walk 10 miles in a desert? He said, yes. Why? He said, you're not going to understand. He goes, listen, maybe you have a beard and a kippah and I don't, but I'm not stupid. Tell me what? What's the problem? You're not going to understand. No, tell me. No, come on. Okay, I'll tell you. Let's say somebody decides to go get a billboard in New York, $250,000 a month. And instead of putting CNBC's next show, he puts all types of curses against your father. He says your father's this, your father's that, your father's this, your father's that, all types of things against your father. Are you going to do business with him? He goes, what business with him? Where does he live? I'll find him right now. He goes, okay, so that's my point. He says, what are you talking about? I don't even know your father. He goes, maybe you don't think you know my father, but you have a sign over here that says that you do business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That means that you are not only violating Shabbat, but you're advertising it to the public that you are going against my Father in heaven. And you want me to do business with you? Rabotai Karim, it's very easy to give everybody a compliment. All of the rich people, and all of the this people, and all of the that people. But Arav Wasserman Alav Shalom wrote in one of his answers in a letter that if you are complimenting the wicked, you're wicked too. His makor was not only Sharei Tshuva, but also Shlomo HaMelech himself. The point is, Rabotai, is that it's not about trying to bring people closer by complimenting them. You have to bring people closer by telling them what HaKadosh Baruch Hu said. How they decide what they're going to do Once they have that information, that's not your business. It's not your business whether they're turned on or turned off or turned neutral, or maybe they're going to revert. It doesn't matter. It's not your business. Your business is to simply deliver the Torah to them on a silver platter. Now, if they're really close to you, I recommend you don't tell them one thing. Don't talk. Why? You'll ruin it. What do? You let us talk. You give them a CD. You give them a link. Why? If they know you, they're not going to listen to you. If they're your father, they're your mother, they're your brother, they're your sister, they're your workmate, they're not going to listen to you. Why? They know you since you were like in diapers. How are they going to listen to you now? Why? Because you have a beard now? Okay, so you're a beard with diapers. They know you from a long time. They know you when you used to go out with the Goya. They know you when you used to go to the bars. They know you when you used to be a promoter in clubs. Hashem yirachem on those people. They know you when you used to sell clothes to women that weren't exactly Bat Israel. They know you had the store for those women that work in those places. Wow, you made a lot of money. They know you since then, before the beard. The beard comes for free. That's why the goat has it too. But the point is, Rabotai, they know, so they're not going to listen to you. So what are they going to do? They're going to listen to a stranger. Why? That's the only version of them that they know. So you give them a CD. You give them a link. You press share. Right or left finger, same price. The point is, you try to be a Mizrachi Rabbi. Try to help the public by bringing them the truth. Not your version of the truth. Not what you think is too hard or too weak or too this or too that. Just the truth. Uncensored truth. What did Hashem say? Share. That's it. Nothing else. If you have more than just a finger, you work for a living, you make a few shekels above your bills, which is rare in this day, but you actually do, you could actually use money too for that, not just to buy stock, believe it or not. Money is not just for buying stocks. You can actually do other stuff with it. It's not even buying houses too. You could do other stuff with it, like Kiruv, like helping Am Yisrael do tshuva. The point is, Rabotai, is that you could all become little messengers of HaKadosh Baruch Hu.